Hey everyone, what's up? It's Mudasir here, and today I am going to show you Universal Web Scraper to scrap emails, phone numbers and other contact details from any website. So this is our tool. Now I am going to explain all of its features and how to use this tool to scrap data from any website. To run this tool, you will receive this zip file from me. You will have to extract it, and after that you will have to open this exe file. So today I have a list of 100 random websites. Now I am going to scrap these websites by using this tool. Paste all the website links here. You can use thousands of website links at the same time. And after that, go in the options and choose your desired data columns that you want to scrap. I am choosing all, and these are some additional features. I will explain them later in the video. And after that, just click start button. Now it is scraping the data. You can also count the number of rows by right clicking on any column name and click show footer, and on the footer click count. And here are some additional features. Auto export on completion, it will export file on completion. And deep search, you are seeing some emails are missing here. So if we enable this feature, it will find emails from the sub pages. And if you make your mind to scrap a long list of websites, you can use this feature. It will keep notifying you on your email. Here you will have to type your email like this one and choose your time interval on which you want to be notified. I am choosing on completion and click apply button. It is scraping domain name, emails, phone numbers and all social links and the contact page link of the website. Okay, to save our time, I am going to make the video 2x faster, and after that we will see results. Okay, the scraping is near to be completed. Now it has scrapped all the data. Click OK button, and the files will be exported by default in this folder here. Now I'm going to show you how to export this data to an Excel file. Click export button and choose your output path. I'm choosing the desktop, and here choose your desired output format and export it. Now the file has been exported successfully. So this is our scrap data, and we have also set notification system, and now I'm going to show you how it notifies. Okay, I have received the email. It is showing number of records and application name. So this is our tool. It is able to scrap data from any website link. So if you want to get this tool or have any questions, feel free to contact me. My contact information is provided in the description. Thanks for watching this video. You can share your thoughts in comment section and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with our new upcoming tools. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.